fibromyalgia causing brain fog, headaches, debilitating neck, joint pain in all four quadrants of her body. Dakota came in about a month ago and she had all these debilitating fibromyalgia symptoms, had to quit her photography job, could not function, and we decided to do the laser stem cell signaling with the extracellular exosomes. And 1 month later, how are those symptoms doing?
I cannot believe how much better I feel. I've probably only had 2 or 3, maybe 4 days in the past month that I had to kind of just couch bound and just relax, but it was an immediate difference. My neck never hurts. I'm very rarely in any kind of pain. The brain fog, I've been able to drive long distances again. Like, I can function. It's crazy. It's crazy.
And when did these fibromyalgia symptoms start to get really bad? How many years ago?
3 years ago is when I definitely noticed, like, when I was driving and stuff, I just zoned out. I started going to physical therapy about 3 or 4 years ago for the pain, and I just figured it was, kind of normal joint pains that I had. And then over time, she was really pointing out, like, the specific areas that then ended up being the exact ones that you pointed out.
And how many other doctors did you go see before us?
Oh my God.
You've been to
So
everyone,
many
right?
doctors.
Yeah.
So many doctors over the years, rheumatologists, internal,
Neurologist
everything,
and
neurologists, asthma doctor, everything
and
to
would they
try and
just
find.
give you like medication like Neurontin, gabapentin, all that stuff?
I
Yeah.
never did pain meds.
Good.
We treated it more for like my EGPA, and that just did not really help with the pain. It helped other things, and we thought that it would be the miracle cure, so I was taking the monthly injections for that, but it helped in some ways, but it definitely was not the solution.
And what was the typical response from the doctor? They said like it's all in your head or there's no treatment for this. Yeah.
Pretty much just,
Yeah.
well, these things happen, and well, we can't
Yeah.
quite connect this to that, and it might just be this one thing. Like, it was always just trying to treat the little specific things, and it just never was a big
That's a
picture.
problem with fibromyalgia. It's like a group of a lot of symptoms, and they just can't pinpoint it. So we did the fibromyalgia stem cell injection right in the occiput, and 1 month later, how you doing now?
Great. I
Uh,
feel, yeah, so great most of the time. Most of the
how many
time.
percent better do you feel compared to before?
At least 70 to 80%.
Isn't that a miracle in just 1 month?
Crazy. Yeah.
And
And one
you've actually
five
had it,
days.
joint pain, your whole life, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
I've been in and out of consciousness almost, like, for so long that
You know,
I,
we got to get your mom and dad, and they're kind of chicken,
and
because
my husband,
yeah, because
yes.
your mom and dad has that ring in the ear, and the injection was like painless, and your mom's kind of scared, but it's no problem. They're just acupuncture points. You put the stem cells in. Yeah.
You gotta do something.
All
You
right.
gotta,
Well, they sacrificed the daughter as a guinea pig, and since you
yes,
survived and you're living without pain, I think that we'll get them in. Okay.
yes, yes.
All right. Well, we're just going to give you a little maintenance treatment, a little laser in the upper neck to keep the cells stimulated, and we'll have it come back in a couple months, and I'm sure you get back to your photography job, huh?
Yes, I've been shooting again, and it has been great. I've been able to edit on my computer and
Perfect.
do things that I had to quit for years.
All right, Dakota. I'm glad it worked. We'll see you in a couple months.
Sounds
All right.
good.